It's time now for a short break on Youth Polio. Stay with us, we'll be right back with boxing.
असम, यहाँ कदम कदम पर बदलें बोल। यहाँ संस्कृति के रंग हैं अनमोल। यहाँ भाषाएं अलग हैं पर दिल नहीं। यहाँ जाति धर्म अलग हैं पर लोग नहीं। विभिन्नताओं के संगम की ये धरती है असम की।
अनेकता में एकता, यह है आसाम का विशेषता।
Welcome back. Boxing is a popular sport in the Northeast. Boys and girls of the region have doubled their enthusiasm in the sport after MC Mary Kom inspired the nation with Olympic bronze. In this episode, we bring you some glimpses of the state-level tournament in Manipur.
"276 men and women boxers from 6 districts of Manipur and 3 private boxing academies, including the Mary Kom Regional Boxing Foundation, participated in a state-level boxing championship organized by Manipur Amateur Boxing Association or MABA recently. MABA has been conducting this championship to hone the talents of the state's boxers since 1980. In the present tournament, the Imphal West team emerged champion. Encouraging the boxers of the state, Mary Kom said that she is always ready to help any youngster in the field of boxing, may he or she be from any institute or even a raw untrained player. Khoibi Salam, the Secretary General of MABA and Vice President of Boxing Federation of India, informed that it is pertinent for boxers to continue their education because the latest techniques of modern boxing cannot be understood without sound educational background.
Not only boxing, education and sports, they can always go side by side, because without having educational background, shining in a particular sport is very difficult, because all the techniques and process are now very scientific way, and one has to have science knowledge to some extent, if not the 100%, and one must be at least graduate to learn all the techniques of boxing, because without academy it is very difficult to understand the scientific techniques of the boxing introduced right now in the world.
If you are job hunting at present, you could check out the current vacancies in the region, which we have shortlisted.
Cadila Pharmaceuticals Limited requires field officers at Imphal. The pharmaceutical company is looking for candidates with BSc or B Pharma degrees. Fena Private Limited has vacancies for sales representatives at Dimapur and Shillong. The washing powder company wants graduate candidates. Amity Global Business School requires academic counselors at Agartala. The school wants graduate candidates to apply. Tata Motors Private Limited is hunting for branch managers at Goalpara, Tezpur and Guwahati. Graduate candidates can send their resumes to the company. Northeast Today wants copywriters at Guwahati. Graduate candidates can apply here too.
Tripura celebrated Nazrul Jayanti recently with a spectacular show of songs and dances based on the lyrics penned down by the great poet. Watch some glimpses of the event.
The Nazrul Kalakshetra of Agartala, Tripura organized a cultural fiesta including a long lineup of songs written and composed by the great poet, musician, revolutionary Qazi Nazrul Islam on occasion of Nazrul's 115th birth anniversary. Dignitaries of the states and students paid homage to the great poet whose words had greatly influenced the freedom movement of India as well as that of Bangladesh, and who had given clarion call for political and social emancipation. From school students to adults, many singers sang both solo and in groups on the occasion. Talented performers were given cash prizes and certificates as encouragement. The prize winners performed solo and gave the audience a fine insight into their talent. Many dances were also put up on the occasion. Dancing on the songs of Qazi Nazrul, the dancers too showed that Tripura might be small in size but is not short in talent, especially in the cultural field. The performers upheld Nazrul's philosophies anti-oppression and fascism.
Well friends, we have reached the fag end of our program. I hope you enjoyed the episode and would remember to tune in next Thursday at 4:30 p.m. on DD Northeast. Now, check out the names of our contest winners.
For our contest section, we had asked you, what did we show in the entertainment section? The answer is Bihu celebrations in Arunachal Pradesh. The winners are NG Ruby from Imphal, Manipur, Subenthang Ao from Dimapur, Nagaland, and Nayantara Saikia from Guwahati, Assam.
Congratulations winners! We will dispatch your gift check soon. Viewers who want to win some cool prizes, the question you have to answer is, write down the names of 2 boxers from the Northeast other than Mary Kom, who had represented India in the 2012 Olympics. Rush in your answers to youth_folio@yahoo.com or SMS to 94354-07310. See you all next week. Until then, goodbye. Take care.